Okay, so you know how sometimes when you're shopping in the supermarket and you come across a product that interests you, you've probably never seen it before, so you pick it right up and put it in your cart just to try it later. That is exactly what happened when I stumbled upon Instant Zobo Drink. So I couldn't resist picking it up and thought it would be a fun idea to unbox it together and share the experience.
This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Do check out our playlist for a range of diverse, interesting subjects.
Having said all that, let's dive right in and see what this box has to offer inside. I was attracted by the package of the instant Zobo drink. This is because it is wine in color and really projected the image of the Zobo drink itself, which is made with dried hibiscus leaves. So I'm impressed that the company put this consideration into the design. Now let's see what's inside the box. So I'm going to quickly open it up. I'll speed up the video so that the process doesn't take too long because we don't want the video to be too long. So here we go. Now that we have that thin waterproof out of the way, I'll just open it up. And here we are. I like that the tea bags are neatly arranged. So on the package it says we have 20 bags, so we'll count to confirm this. Okay, so let the countdown begin. But first I have to open this up. Okay, and pour the bags into that plate. Oops, one of them fell off. I'm going to pick it up and put it right back so that the countdown can begin. Now it's time to count. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So yeah, it's complete. They are correct. So watch out for a tasting video.
This is Recommendally, your home for friendly guides. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to share the love and have a beautiful day.